All right, it seems each day the top tech story involves OpenAI. We talked about that earlier today, right? Partnering with yet another company. You can see just some of the recent deals. The solid blue lines are customer and repurchase agreements. The dotted lines are investors. The red lines, But here's the thing. The naysayers hint that this is all maybe some kind of funky accounting or shell game. But the names involved in these deals, those stocks keep going higher. So I want to bring in IO Fund, their lead tech analyst, Beth Kindig. And, Beth, what is OpenAI's the game plan, so to speak? Because some think that it's positioned itself as a linchpin for the ultimate success for AI, or could even sink AI.
Yeah, that's a great question to focus on OpenAI, Charles. They are really aiming to become the iPhone of AI. Now, that term is thrown around a lot, but I think it holds real weight with OpenAI because they also have a developer platform on top of these foundation models that people are pretty familiar with now with ChatGPT. And then also just consider they're at the convergence of government demand, consumer demand, enterprise demand. They are a bellwether for how to monetize AI. However, for an investor's viewpoint, nothing is more important than CapEx. That would be my number one linchpin in terms of if AI can continue on this phenomenal run or we'll see a pullback. And
Right.
we are seeing year-over-year growth in CapEx next year, so all is well in the AI world.
Right. I mean, they're putting up some really, really big bucks. I wanted to ask you about Astera Labs because it's a name you liked last week. And when I saw the ARM news yesterday, this stock pulled back a little bit from it. I guess they're, as this thing goes on, they're going to start seeing or knowing more winners and losers. Would you change anything with this because OpenAI and ARM?
I would zoom out a little bit here. What it is that AI networking is basically a tsunami. We are increasing GPUs for every AI system from 8 to 72. That's a 9x increase. AI networking is going to be increasing somewhere between of the order of 5x to 9x. So, it's like you're trying to surf a tsunami here. This is a massive market. Astera is a small fish. They only need a couple of big customers, and their biggest customer, Charles, is Amazon, who is spending over $100 billion a year. Meaning, these little these announcements between all these different players don't matter to something like Astera.
All right. Hey, I got to give you props on something you mentioned last time. So remember we were talking about Bloom? I told you I saw it in 60 Minutes like years ago. I thought it was going to be big. It came public and never did anything. You said, okay, it's still a buy. Last time it was 88. I thought maybe we missed it. It's 107 now, and everyone's talking about it. It's still more upside?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, my firm is up over 400% on Bloom. It's our number one winner this year. The reason is that it's powering the data center expansion. It's powering it very quickly. It takes 3 months for these hydrogen fuel cells to get on site. Compare that with nuclear, which would take years to build out. It really is that time to power. 3 months, and Bloom Energy can, provide power that is not tied to the grid.
Right.
And that piece is a big deal for Bloom Energy right now.
So 88 to 113 in like a week and a half or something. Hey, I can't let you go without asking you about the chips overall, right? Everyone kind of acknowledges, listen, that's what's, they're the straw that stirs the drink. But also they're starting to spin the wheels a little bit here. Would it be okay for a consolidation? Is that overdue, maybe even a pullback?
I think any pullback should be bought, Charles. You and I have been talking AI chips for many, many years. I mean, your show has been spot on covering this. I feel like back to 2020, if not earlier. However, what I want to say is in this whole time we've had all these conversations, we're heading into a very big second half weighted moment for the shipping cycle. That's Blackwell and Blackwell Ultra simultaneously shipping. Now is not the time to cool off from AI chips.
All right. That's all I needed to hear, Beth. Thank you.